Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a delicious way of making shrimp and serving it for Christmas. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. For this recipe, you'll need 2 pounds of shrimp, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, black pepper, salt, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and cilantro. Do you guys want to know a little secret about my kitchen? I don't have a garlic mincer, so I like to chop my garlic with a big knife. Finely chopped 5 cloves of garlic. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. After you chop the garlic, add it to the bowl with shrimp. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, add lemon juice and spices, basil, salt, and pepper. Give it a really good mix. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Line baking sheet with parchment paper and add shrimp. Careful not to overcrowd. Bake at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes or until it's cooked through. Now let's make homemade shrimp sauce. In a little mixing bowl, add half a cup of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of horseradish and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a really good stir. And voila, the sauce is ready. After shrimp is done baking, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cilantro over the top. Now place your shrimp on the platter, making it Christmas wreath. Garnish it with rosemary and serve it with homemade shrimp sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. I'll see you guys later. Bye!